Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Dancehall royalties available on all digital platforms. Make sure so go support the EP. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, you know find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boss a shape on the blog in truth. Now, before we get into the reasoning, viewers and subscribers, we want to big up the winners of the recent dancehall trivia. Yes, the title of that track was Life Sweet by Vybz Kartel. So big up to Ricky Spence, New Era, and Chop Done. Now that one gonna be for hardcore dancehall fans. What is the title of the track that this line is taken from? You have ambition, that mean you're worthy. Free like a birdie, financially sturdy. Them can't say you're nerdy. Smoke up your herby from year 30 to the another year 30. Now let's get into the reasoning, viewers and subscribers. Now, Vybz Kartel music I get a fight, viewers and subscribers. Simply meaning say dancehall music I get a fight, viewers and subscribers. Now the king of the genre, viewers and subscribers, released his track for the ladies titled Let Your Body Move. Now here's the proof, viewers and subscribers. I have seen the views literally go up and then descend, meaning some of them go down. We don't say, oh, that would be possible, and the big jumps wait to make at that. Thousands of views added and then thousands of views removed. Now I say this already, I'm gonna say it again. If I'm not Dexter Daps, Afi Vybz Kartel for the ladies. I'm not saying no other artists we are put out music for the ladies. The teacher of Let Your Body Move, Force featuring Sika Rhymes, Pop Style, Popular with Little Addy, Dirty Junker with Sika, just to name a few. Remember, we have Club Rave, we have Turn Off the Light, and we are talking about tracks that were recently released. Remember, the entire EP itself, we can say, while it was good music where everybody could relate to, we have a number of tracks for the ladies on that EP as well. Showcasing say dancehall is not a genre we have to talk about certain subject matter. We don't have to talk about in the streets. You don't have to be all about, gun and things of that nature. Vybz Kartel music definitely showcase that. As a matter of fact, woman empowerment, the teacher deal within this day and age. While some other artists drop ashes, not the woman them out. The teacher said, no, you ain't in a contest with nobody. You are the prettiest, and every lady should feel that way. And the teacher definitely showcased his vocal range with this track. A track that was mixed and mastered superbly. Released on the Short Boss and Vybz Kartel music label. Definitely a good look for dancehall music viewers and subscribers. In this day and age, the one subject matter a whole back dancehall, I guess, is one of the reasons why there's limited investment in the genre. Why people feel like say the music will still be just barred or restricted to just local waters or local shores. Yes, the Caribbean diaspora love and celebrate dancehall music. The wider world is in love with the dancehall genre, but the marketing is not there for the better part. And some people say it is to the subject matter that most dancehall artists choose to speak about. It is no coincidence that majority of the big chart-topping tracks, even from Vybz Kartel himself, were tracks that celebrated the ladies themselves. And you name it, even Shabba for him Grammy, you can't say Trade Load a girl never play a hand in that. For the majority of the part, only set of songs that people know for big dancehall artists are songs either about dancing or songs about the ladies. We got Bunty, we make him name as the poor people governor. But him still one of the track we say your party going on like night and day. So remember, yeah, that was one of the tracks we get him out there to the wider world. And that was just a hardcore track somewhat. Yeah, the lyrical content was there, but for the better part, the title of the track was It's a Party. You know what I mean? That was what the remix was for. So dancehall music is at that crossroads where it is now meeting technology and creativity. So the advent of technology is now here. So dancehall artists can put them songs on all different streaming platforms, and people right across the world can now hear you. Now what is setting the genre apart? Creativity. It is not just the barrier of language. Some people have favorite songs that are in Spanish, in different language, and don't know what the artists are saying, but them still love the song. And these songs are still songs that people consider timeless. But at the same time, creativity was there. It was something fresh, something new. So just doing what rappers do, but doing it for dancehall fans will not cut it when we are talking about an international scene. And that is why time and time again, Vybz Kartel music crosses over seamlessly or effortlessly, if you want to say. You know what I mean? When the teacher drop a track, whether it's a feature track with a hip-hop artist, an international artist, it not seem like it was added last minute. You can see the level of creativity. You can hear it from what Vybz Kartel I say. And as I say, seamless. The transition did it. Whether it at the drill track with the UK artist, or the artist them and the producer them from Germany. It just looked like that was how the song should go. It looked like if Vybz Kartel was missing from the track wouldn't have the impact. That's what we're talking about. Seamless transition from, a rapper to a DJ, as we would say. And effortlessly, meaning say without even trying. The international audience always react well to a Vybz Kartel dancehall track. May I tell you, even people who are not particularly fans of dancehall music, and that is something to speak of. When they can make fans out of people who are not necessarily fans of the genre of music that you are from, they have something special. And Vybz Kartel has done that over and over again. And this is definitely a track I feel like all ladies should be listening to. Yeah, man, I feel like whether you are a fan of dancehall music or not, because you have some people to like to say, oh, dancehall always raunchy and ray. As I say, Vybz Kartel continue to showcase the fact that dancehall music is not limited to certain small-minded individuals and their perception of dancehall. Dancehall is not limited to what you think. The teacher give you rock and roll dancehall music. Some people that say it can't be done. Some people that say you can't do it, it is not possible, there's no way you can do it. But no, Vybz Kartel do it. You know what I mean? The teacher continue to do it. I'm gonna feel like young artists, only for artists study the teacher, and there's no shame in it. You have to remember, if you are forward in any field, whether it be music, entertainment, business, you have to look at the people who do it, the foundation, the people who bring it to where it is presently. So if you say, yo, you're a fan of Vybz Kartel music, you study the teacher, there's no shame in that. You actually get merit feet. Actually say, yo, yeah, pay attention to the music and the progression of the music so you can see where you are, what you can bring to the table as an artist. Because everybody feel like, say, yo, they're entitled to a listening ear. No, you're not entitled to a listening ear. And what you bring to the table make it can get have a fan base, and why even people choose to listen to you after the first time. Because some people listen to you just because they might give you the first listen. But why them continue to listen to you? Because they have what it takes to be an artist. And everybody have what it takes. Enough people can record music, but then everybody are artists. Truth be told. And everybody artists. Anybody can record a song, but then everybody can be an entertainer. Vybz Kartel stands apart. You have a new track out, people. Let your body move. The title of that one. Ladies, check it out. I know want to feel about the track. I know want to feel about the music video itself. Definitely something we are top dancehall right now. But it's the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And I'm reminding you, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you to click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. You know the thing, the like icon, the tweet. You know what I mean? Share icon, close proximity. Comment section open 24/7. Never lack it. Let's be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can contain the reason via the comment section. Yeah, man, now move settings fam. And we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, of course, for to live, love, and prosper. Until we do a reason again. You know the something go. And young artists, the 241 special is still up and running. Contact the IG page for more details. You know what I mean?